Right. Hands up if you've ever spent ages curling, straightening, or slicking back your hair, only to look in the mirror and feel just off. Trust me, I've been there. And honestly, most of us are styling our hair totally wrong for our face and head shapes. But let's fix that today, shall we? First things first, let's bust a myth. Not every trending hairstyle will suit every face. It's not about beauty standards, it's about playing to your strengths. So grab a mirror, take a good look at your face, and let's figure out your shape. Oval? Lucky you. Almost anything works. But if you're round, heart, square, or long, listen up. Mistake number 1, ignoring your jawline and cheekbones. If you've got a round face and you keep choosing bouncy chin-length curls, you're just making your face look rounder. Go for longer layers, add some height at the crown, and keep the sides sleek. It'll elongate your face and make you look instantly snatched. Now, heart-shaped faces. Don't hide that gorgeous forehead with heavy fringes. A soft side part or gentle waves are your friend. They balance out the width at the top and highlight your killer cheekbones. Square face? All those blunt bobs and straight fringes you see everywhere. Give them a miss, honestly. You want something with movement and softness. Think side-swept fringes, wispy ends, or loose curls that round out those angles. If you've got a long face, step away from the poker straight, center-parted styles. Add volume at the sides, and maybe try a side part. Waves and curls bring width, making your face look more balanced and lively. And another biggie, head shape. If your head's a bit flat at the back, no shame, loads of us have it. High ponytails or top knots can just make it look flatter. Try half-up styles or add volume at the crown to round things out. So next time you're tempted to copy that viral look, just pause and ask, is this actually going to flatter me? Don't be afraid to experiment, but remember, a little tweak to suit your shape can make you look and feel 100 times more confident. Let me know in the comments what your face shape is and the one style you always go for. And if you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real talk beauty tips. Remember, your hair, your rules, but let's make sure the rules work for you. See you in the next one.